Okay, what are we making?
I know.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super special guest with me, my best friend, Jess.
Jessica.
Today we'll be making a super easy, healthy carrot cake that happens to be vegan and dairy-free.
Egg-free, dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free. No, I don't know. It's not gluten-free. But it's going to be delicious. I've made it once before. So we're looking forward to sharing this deliciousness with you this time.
Yes, so let's go ahead and get started. And here are the ingredients you'll need. Baking soda, flour, carrots, granulated sugar, milk, pure vanilla extract, ground ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, some olive oil, walnuts, powdered sugar, baking powder, apple cider vinegar. Oops, forgot the butter. Okay, y'all, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350.
Go ahead and add all of your dry ingredients into one bowl and all of your wet ingredients into another. You're going to want to whisk it all up, and then you're going to incorporate your dry slowly into the wet. Once it's all together, you're going to add in the 2 cups of grated carrots and 1 cup of walnuts. Whee!
So delicious though. Plus I think this helps for people like myself who are not good at baking to get a visual of what someone else is doing, you know?
Yeah. I usually like to do the wet in the larger bowl and then the dry in the smaller, because then when you incorporate it, it ends up being in the bigger bowl.
Yeah. That's like dough almost.
Don't be scared if it seems really thick. One at a time.
Go. Yum.
Yum! They're pretty much folded. You will want to get 2 pans that are kind of the same size. This is as close as I can get. Spray them with olive oil, or you can get the regular olive oil and just wipe it down. And then I cut out 2 circle pieces of parchment paper and put them on the bottom. So when the cakes are done, they'll flip out evenly without breakage, hopefully. You'll want to distribute half of your batter in one pan and the other half in the other pan. Looks so good. It will be good. It's gonna look really thick, but don't worry, it will flatten and the carrots give it moisture. Don't worry, my hands are clean. Jen will eat it anyways.
This is true.
Alright, and then you're gonna pop them in your already preheated 350-degree oven. Woo! Woo!
And how long do we bake it for, Jess?
Let me look at the recipe.
Hold.
For 2 8-inch cake pans, you'll do between 34 and 36 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, hi there. The cakes are done. Now to let them cool for 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay friends, time to make the frosting. So what you'll need is 2 sticks of softened butter, so just leave it out at room temperature. And then you'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, and then you'll mix that first. We love butter. Then we will add 4 cups of powdered sugar. 1 cup at a time, on low. Tablespoons of milk.
Without preference that you'd like.
You guys are more than welcome to cut down the powdered sugar too.
Oh, hey, you're back again. It's time to flip the cake. If you did it right, it should come out perfectly. And you peel the parchment paper. Ha, beautiful, beautiful. Peel the second. And so I won't stack it yet, but with our homemade frosting, you will do a layer onto the first cake, then stack the second cake, and then layer all around. We'll show you. Give it a little good stir. All right, you're gonna wanna put a big chunk here. And just swirl it around. Make it look beautiful.
Oh, so beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And then I kind of go ahead and start doing the bottom of the sides. Frosting the sides now skips a step for later.
So professional.
Yes. I mean, they call me Jessica Stewart, like after Martha.
Martha was named after you, girl.
I didn't go to jail, though, for like Martha.
I mean, that's Martha's bad, not yours.
I mean, I love you, Martha. Sponsor me.
Sponsor me.
Now you stack your second layer. And it's very important that you guys let these cakes cool before you frost, or it will just melt into liquid and all your hard work would just go to waste. So
we don't want that.
We were in a rush, so we set ours in the fridge to cool a little quicker if you are wanting to do the same. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but as long as it tastes good, that's all that people care about.
That's how we get by. Wow.
Now to test and see how delicious it turned out. Ready? Mm-hmm. Y'all better make this.
Yeah, guys.
Make you want to slap your mama
Hey.
or your best friend.
Nailed it.